This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Olivia Oxygen Bleach. First, always read the product label carefully for specific instructions and safety warnings. Before treating any item, test a small, hidden area to ensure color fastness. For stubborn stains, create a paste by mixing 1 scoop of Olivia Oxygen Bleach with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Apply this paste directly onto the stain and let it sit for 5 to 30 minutes before washing. This pre-treatment step significantly boosts stain removal. For general laundry, Olivia Oxygen Bleach is a fantastic addition. Simply add 1 scoop directly into your washing machine drum along with your regular detergent for an average load. If you have heavily soiled items or a larger load, use 2 scoops. For optimal cleaning power, especially on whites and light colors, use warm or hot water settings. This helps activate the oxygen bleach, making your clothes brighter and cleaner without harsh chemicals. Soaking is an excellent way to revitalize dingy whites and remove deep-set stains. Dissolve 2 scoops of Olivia Oxygen Bleach in 1 gallon of warm water in a basin or tub. Fully submerge the items you wish to treat, ensuring they are completely covered by the solution. Let them soak for at least 1 hour, or for up to 6 hours for very stubborn stains. After soaking, rinse the items thoroughly and then proceed with your normal wash cycle. Olivia Oxygen Bleach isn't just for laundry. It's also a powerful household cleaner. Mix 1 scoop of the bleach with 1 gallon of warm water to create an effective cleaning solution. Use this mixture to clean various hard, non-porous surfaces around your home, such as tile, grout, countertops, and even outdoor furniture. Remember to always rinse the cleaned surfaces thoroughly with plain water afterward to remove any residue, leaving them sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.